Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good. This is Vineet. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Hub. So today's tutorial is all about whenever a test case fails, that is a main test case fails, how we can actually skip all the other test cases so that we can actually stop the current execution. So consider an example like you are doing an API automation and the post itself failed. So without the post you cannot run the subsequent test. So in that case, how can we skip the remaining test cases? So that's what we are actually trying to do here. So for that I have my main test case here. So this is the main test case. Actually what it does is like it has two test cases. One is for skipping and other is for failing. So consider that whenever this test case runs, there is a try catch try block and a catch block. So it will fail here and then it will move to the catch block. So catch block, what I am doing is I am actually assigning a flag to one of the method that I have. Then I have the second test case here. So actually this will be skipped based on this result. So what I am doing is like actually I have one more class here which is test method with ignore if support, and it is extending to the test method attribute. So if you are aware of the MsTest and then you know what is this test method attribute, so actually we are extending this the new class to the test method attribute. And in that what I am doing is like if the flag is true, then I am asking the script to be skipped, and if it is not true then you can execute the second test case onwards. So it's as simple as that. If I am passing the flag as true here, then what will happen, it will actually skip the test case. If it is not false, then it will actually rerun the test case. And I am actually giving this test method with ignore if attribute as the test attribute in the remaining test cases. So you can see that uh, here you can see test method with ignores if support test getting instead of test method. So that's how it works actually. So I will just run the scenario. So I have two test cases. I will just select two and I will just run it. So you can see the first one failed and the second one got skipped. So it's saying conditional ignore method. So this message actually I am providing here, test not executed conditional ignore method. So if you want, you can actually give your own message. So this is to make sure that if the main method fails, then I don't want to run the remaining test. So just to add one point, so this scenario will work whenever the test case fails. First test case fails and the remaining will be skipped. So what if the first test case passes? So then also it is not preventing the second test case to run. So for that I am actually running both the test cases. So now I have commented this driver.close and then I am running the test case. So you can see both of them pass. So it will work for success and also failure, but in failure it will skip the other test cases. So that's all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.